The bell! Let's go!
Yay, I'm coming.
Race you to the gate!
You're on. Hey, what should we do?
Let's race to the swings!
Yay, let's go.
Race you to the gate!
You're on.
We both got top marks!
Yay, best day.
Mom is late again.
Maybe she's bringing ice cream.
There she is!
Let's go.
Mom, we're here!
Mommy, hug.
My sweethearts, come here.
I missed you.
I missed you too. Race you home?
Okay, but you'll lose.
No racing now, stay close.
Okay, Mom. Okay.
Wow, this is the best ice cream ever!
Yeah, mine is so yummy. Look at your babes.
There, all clean for you. Our beautiful family. Ready to play hide and seek?
Yes, I'm going to win.
1, 2, 3, go hide! Come on, let's race to the banyan tree!
I'm right behind you.
All right, let's play hide and seek.
Yay, I'm hiding first. This is so much fun, Bhaiya.
Yeah, we're almost home.
Race you to the door?
You're on. Did you see the bird?
Yes, it was so pretty.
Let's watch again. Mom, can I help?
Me too. It's fun.
Almost done. Come here for a hug.
Hey.
Almost done packing, my loves.
Yay, I can't wait. Me too, Mama.
I'm home at 1. Thanda pani, bottled water, careful love, fresh and healthy.
The train is almost here. Race you to the train!
You're on. Be careful, you two.
We will, Mom. Wow, look at the train.
It's so big.
Careful now, stay close.
Okay. Wow, the train. It's so big. I see.
Wow, feel that cool wind.
And the samosas are yummy.
Enjoy, my dears. The journey will be fun. Bye, Papa. See you soon.
Bye, Papa. I love you.
Goodbye, my dears. Be safe.
We'll miss you. Take care. Wow, look how fast it's going.
So pretty.
Wow, look how fast the trees are going.
And the wind feels so nice.
Enjoy the ride, dears. Wow, we're moving.
Look at the trees go.
Enjoy the ride, dears.
This samosa is yummy.
Hold my hand, it's crowded. Look at the cows.
They're so big.
Yes, but be careful, dears.
Okay.
Look at the cows, so peaceful.
I want to run with them. They're so big and nice.
They are, beta.
Many.
Yes, they are going home.
Can we go closer?
The village welcomed us with silence and sunshine.
Grandma, we missed you.
Oh, my dears, come here.
I love you, Grandma. Me too.
Welcome home, my dears.
Hi, Grandma. We missed you.
I have mangoes for you.
Yum.
Be careful, my dears.
We will, Daddy. I'm trying. I got one. Wonderful.
Here you go, my dears.
Wow, so juicy. Sticky. That's bad. Daddy, we're here.
Welcome, my dears. Look, water.
Ah, not fair. Happy. Hi.
Welcome, my dears.
Grandma, we're
Please be
here.
tired from the journey.
I'm going to play cricket.
Go on, have fun.
Here I go. Yay, Nina.
Good swing, beta. Well played.
Yes.
Go on, dears. Pick some mangoes.
I'm getting this one. And I'm getting this one. Swimming.
Come on, let's swim.
Yay. Hi.
Be careful, dears.
Terrible.
Have fun. Good children, keep going. Diddy, see my drawing.
Wow, so nice. I'm getting it. Run, go on. I see you. No, you don't.
I'm making the walls strong.
I'll make a pretty roof.
Okay, add a window here. We mix the spices gently.
Grandma, can I help?
You can watch first.
Smells so good.
Patience, my dears. Wow, the radio is playing our favorite song.
Yay, let's dance.
You two look so happy.
Daddy, I want the cot.
No, it's my turn. Shh, my dears, there's room for both.
Really, Daddy? Okay.
The potatoes are almost done, Ma. Good, the first puris are ready. They look perfect. Taste it. The food is almost ready, Ma. It smells wonderful, beta. Wow, the puris are so fluffy.
Mmm, the potato gravy's yummy.
Here, have some more, beta.
This song is I love it.
Oh, the lights went out. Don't worry, beta, we have a candle.
Here we go.
Wow, fireflies, they're so pretty.
I want to catch one.
Be gentle, my dears. Just watch them dance. Look, children. See the bright stars? That is the Great Bear. And there is the little bear with the North Star. Diddy, so many stars.
Yes, they're dancing.
Grandma, the sunrise is magical today.
Yes, and the birds are flying so high.
It is beautiful, my dears. Here you go, my dears.
Wow, thank you, Daddy. Thank you, we love you.
Go on, have fun. Shh, my dears, it's all right.
Grandma, I was so scared. Don't let go.
We're all here together now. I'm so sorry. Shh, my child, it's all right. We'll miss you, Grandma.
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Take care, Ma.
We must go now.
Go safely, my dears. My dears, be good and take care.
We will, Grandma. I'll miss you.
It's all.
Mom, Dad, the view is amazing.
It is. We're coming back again next year for summer vacation.
Yes, promise? We promise.
Yes, we will. Bye-bye. See you in the next video, guys.
Bye-bye. See you.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next video.